The steps to solve a logarithmic equation are 1. Condense into a single log. 2. Convert to exponential form. 3. Solve the resulting equation. And 4. Check for extraneous solutions. The steps to solve an exponential equation are 1. Isolate the base that is raised to the variable exponent. 2. Convert to logarithmic form. 3. Solve the resulting equation. And 4. Check the answer. In this example, notice that we have a logarithmic equation. We have a sum of logs on the left side of the equal sign. We first need to condense the left side into a single logarithm. We can do that by changing that sum of logs into a single log. We'll get log base 5, and then when we condense, that sum becomes a product. That is x plus 6 times x plus 2 for the argument on that log, and that is equal to 1. Up next, we'll simplify inside the argument. Distribute that binomial. We get log base 5 of x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 1. Now we can convert this to exponential form. Remember, the base of the log is the base of the exponential. So we're going to take that 5 and raise it to the first power and then set it equal to the argument on the log. We have 5 to the first equals the argument, x squared plus 8x plus 12. From here, we'll solve the quadratic. Typically with quadratics, we set them equal to 0. So let's subtract 5 on both sides. Now we have a quadratic which we can factor. X plus 1 times x plus 7. Set each of those factors equal to 0 and solve. We get x equals -1 and x equals -7. But keep in mind, when solving logarithmic equations, we always want to check for extraneous solutions. One of the most common times we'll get extraneous solutions is when the argument on the original log is negative. If we plug in -1 to the original equation, plug in -1 here, you have log of 5, which is okay. Then we have log base 5 of, again, plug in -1, we get log of 1. That's okay. But if we plug in -7, notice if we plug in -7 for x, the argument on this log becomes negative. Right away, we can see that that's going to be extraneous. So we know -7 is extraneous. We'll toss that one. If we truly wanted to check to see if -1 is correct, we could plug it in and work it out. Log base 5 of -1 plus 6 plus log base 5 of -1 plus 2. We're asking, is that equal to 1? We have log base 5 of 5 plus log base 5 of 1. Is that equal to 1? Now we have to convert 5 to what power gives us 5? That would be 1. Plus 5 to what power gives us 1? 0. So we get 1 equals 1, which is a true statement telling us that -1 is indeed the correct answer.